Today I shall start lesson number 14. Our topic is about jobs. Jobs कहते हैं काम को. Dear students, different people do different jobs. मुख्तलिफ लोग मुख्तलिफ काम करते हैं. Look at this picture. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. She teaches students. Look at this picture. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. He treats patients. He treats patient. He is a farmer. He is a farmer. He draws train for us. He draws train for us. Look at this. He is a policeman. He is a policeman. Policeman catch the thief. Policeman catch the thief. Look, he is a pilot. He is a pilot. He flies an aeroplane. He flies an aeroplane. This is an engineer. This is an engineer. And he builds building. And he builds building. I hope you understood this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.